Look, I think we had a very interesting year in 16. For the industry generally in 17, I think things are looking a little bit more promising. We're seeing improvements, particularly in the small business sector. But some other challenges are on the horizon. So I think it's just a year where we just need to manage through whatever comes our way to an extent. And hopefully things will gradually improve as the year goes by. Yeah, I mean, RAKBANK traditionally has been perceived as a retail bank, but actually in reality we're more a small business bank than a retail bank. So for us, we set out about 2.5 years ago on a strategic journey to basically broaden the balance sheet. So we're now actively involved in wholesale banking, treasury. We've got a completely separate business banking unit that runs our SME business, and a separate unit running personal banking. So for us, it's about really making things a little bit more balanced. You know, in the past we were very heavily skewed, particularly in small business, which in the last 2 years or so has been quite challenging. So it's just about balancing things up. Well, interestingly, I think some of the adversity of last year creates opportunity for us. You know, we are the largest small business bank in the UAE, and I think, you know, whilst it still has its challenges in that sector, I think it is a great opportunity. You know, we've stayed in that market. Many others have exited, and at this point I see some opportunity to pick, you know, better clients, and also a number of our clients, because we've stuck with them, I think are very loyal to us. So I think there's opportunity there. There's also for us opportunity as we move into wholesale, given that we haven't played in that space before. As a new entrant, there are some challenges, but there's also opportunities. Well, obviously it's a crowded marketplace, and everyone's, you know, predominantly in this market are wholesale banks. We haven't been. So there's a challenge on pricing, there's a challenge on competition. But in some ways, being a late entrant and being a rather sort of a unique player in that space, I think we can carve out a niche for ourselves, particularly in Ras Al Khaimah, interestingly, because we are the National Bank of Ras Al Khaimah. Oh, I'm very excited. Hopefully we'll have some good news as the night progresses. No, it's great. I think it's a great event, and we're looking forward to it.